Good morning, Greg Factor here from White Black Digital. We make videos like this for small and medium businesses on a huge variety of topics to help educate you and help you make great decisions when it comes to your website development and online marketing. Today we have a great topic, and let's head over to the blog section so we can get right into it. Our topic for today is whether you should have a themed website built or a custom website developed. First up, your first decision has to be is what CMS, what content management system you use when you develop your website. And we strongly recommend you choose WordPress. Pretty much every single website that we develop nowadays is built in WordPress because of the features and capability. It's far more advantageous for our clients to have their websites built in WordPress. It allows their websites to scale, to grow, and for them to easily manage the content on their website. We suggest that you check out our video, 7.5 Reasons to Use WordPress for Your Website, for more information. So let's move along. Well, what is a WordPress theme? Well, basically a WordPress theme allows you to skin a website. It is probably more than that. It gives you control, with regards to the look and the presentation on the content of your website. That can be edited too. Great positive to using a theme is that it's much cheaper. So you will save some money if you use a theme. The negative, however, is that other people will have the same theme as you, which basically means you'll have different content on the website, but the look and feel, the design of the website will be the same as many other websites. Popular themes are downloaded thousands of times, so therefore means thousands of other websites will be very similar to your website. Of course, you can customize a theme, however, boundaries exist in the customization. So there is a limit. To download a theme, there's two options available. You can either go to wordpress.org/themes and download a free theme. You can see here they have 2,803 themes available. You can also check out themeforest.net when you to download a theme. Be sure that you check the WordPress themes. Make sure you download a WordPress theme. Themes, are either free, they can cost up to $50 like you see here, or even more. Some themes go for close to $100. The benefit of using a paid theme is that support is available. So if you run into issues, there is good support available. Generally speaking, the actual coding of a paid theme is better. Some people recommend that if you are going to use a theme, do use a popular theme. A theme that's been downloaded many times, as that means it's probably been built by a very reputable company. The next thing that we're going to talk about, we've covered that, free versus paid website themes. The next thing is, well, what is custom WordPress development? Well, custom development means that your website's designed from the ground up. So a graphic designer is actually involved in the process. The graphic designer will start with a blank piece of paper, a blank canvas, and design every nook and cranny that's in the website. Therefore, no one else will have the same website as you. Of course, if someone else copies your website, that's a different story. We always consider it a compliment when someone copies one of our custom websites that we've designed for a client. Generally speaking, you do need much better web development skills to design a custom website. That's something that you need to look out for with the company that you employ to do your web development. Custom websites also run much smoother, much faster than a themed website. That gives you a better user experience. So people visiting your website will be able to navigate and go through the website much quicker. The other benefit is that Google looks at the website speed. So if your website's moving quicker and faster, well, that's a tick for Google. So that affects your search engine optimization. So that's definitely another benefit to look out for. Next, should you use a theme or custom website? what should you use? Well, if money is no option, then 100% get a custom website developed. Of course, if money is an option, then you have no choice but to get a themed website or a templated website developed. Something that you can do when your website is being quoted by a web development company, ask them, do you develop with themes or do you develop custom? If they only do themes, well, chances are they don't have kick-ass web development skills, so you might want to consider employing another company. If they do both themes and custom, ask them, well, what is the price difference between a themed website and a custom website? Hopefully the price difference isn't too large, and in that case, then we suggest that you do get the custom website developed. Hope that answers all your questions on themed versus custom website development. And of course, if you have any questions or anything you want to know, then get in touch with us through our website or follow us on Twitter and post a question to us there. Thanks for your time. See you.